Farmers today can use advanced technology to better understand and take care of their fields. This approach is called precision agriculture. Precision agriculture uses tools like sensors, satellites, drones, soil testing, and GPS to collect information about crops and soil, so farmers can manage different areas of a field more precisely. Fields aren't the same everywhere. Soil type, moisture and nutrient levels, and even diseases or pests can vary across a field. Precision agriculture helps farmers see these differences so they can respond quickly and care for each area in the best way. By applying the right amount of inputs in the right place and at the right time, farmers can reduce costs, grow healthier plants, and protect soil and water. This means precision agriculture helps farmers grow more food while maintaining a healthy environment. To make these careful decisions, farmers first need accurate information about their fields. That information is collected using smart technologies. Sensors are one important data collecting technology. They measure things like soil moisture and temperature. The information is then sent to smart devices so farmers can monitor field conditions throughout the growing season. Some information comes from above the earth. Satellites can capture images of fields from space, helping farmers see patterns in crop health across large areas. Drones provide a closer look. By flying over fields and taking detailed photos, drones can help farmers find areas affected by pests, disease, or nutrient and moisture loss early in the season. All this data can be combined to create digital maps of a farmer's field. Farmers can then input these maps into their farming equipment to help with precision application. Digital maps and GPS allow sprayers and seeders to follow set paths and apply seeds, nutrients, or crop protection products exactly where they are needed. When farmers combine information from smart equipment, they gain a clearer picture of their fields. This picture allows them to make beneficial, precise decisions on crop care. By growing crops more efficiently and environmentally, farmers care for the land and resources that future generations will depend on.